Hey guys, welcome to this video. I just want to let you know about a really cool tool that's totally free. It's from Google and it's going to really help you research some really hot trends sometimes. It can be a very passive way to do research. Okay, so it's called Google Alerts. So basically, you'll type in the keywords that you're looking for and it will send you an email as soon as someone talks about it. So you can put in your website in there or anything you're interested in. You can trigger the keywords in here, and every morning, Google will send you some alerts. For example, so I set one for t-shirts and merch by Amazon, just in case there's new news with merch by Amazon, and if there's any new crazy new t-shirt ideas, you will be alerted. So let's go on t-shirts. So one day I got this email from Google Alerts, and this is the news. Okay, so I will say most of this is going to be trademarked stuff, but every now and then you might find a good idea, and you could be the first to Amazon with a new T-shirt idea. So, for example, this looks like it's trademarked, but let's look at what it looks like. So what Google does, it sorts out by most talked about, most engagement, and puts it on top and works its way down every day. Okay, so go away. Dallas Maverick needs this Luca and a Legend shirt. So this is trademarked, but you get the idea. So you can find something that is going to be more fruitful. So let's keep looking. So the first lady, Trump's wife, made this jacket. Maybe it went crazy and everybody went for trademarks on the day, but this caused a big controversy. So with stuff like Google Alerts, you could be the first to merch by Amazon with stuff like this. See what else we've got. So gay pride, that's a good niche. Let's see what it looks like. So I mean, United Airlines will be trademarked, but gay pride isn't. I mean, check the trademarks for that. As long as you don't use United Airlines, maybe that might be okay. I'm not sure. I'll have to look more into this. But this could be a T-shirt. As long as you check the trademarks and all that stuff, but you know what to do. But this is a very high engagement content. So Google Alerts is a very passive way to do research. It's good for trends, and it's a very passive way to do research. So I've no problems with this. So make sure you put in your keywords there. You can use this for other things as well. Like if you've got a website name and someone's talking about it on somewhere on the internet, Google will alert you. So let's look for merch by Amazon. So this is not really to making t-shirts. I just want to know what's talked about on merch by Amazon. So VidCon. VidCon to expose, Snapchat styles, everyone misses Vine. See what it says, merch by Amazon. I'm not seeing anything from merch by Amazon. There we go. No, I'm bored already. Fortnite, so that we know that's trademarked, but let's just see. It's just keeping up to date with Merch by Amazon News, really, and see. Sometimes you can find some interesting articles about the platform, but this is not good for t-shirts, really. It's just to see what's being talked about, and you might be able to be ahead of the news, but you get the idea. So yeah, if you just go to google.com/alerts and you put in your trigger keywords here. So for example, put in my website here, and if someone talks about merch completes, I will get an email. So I hope you like this tool. Check it out, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to check out my other products in the description. Head over to merchcomplete.com and grab your free design. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.